Well, we wanted a new documentary topic, and we thought the Cats of Leesville would be funny.
Because no one really knows much about them. We all have seen them, but and we know some people feed them, but we don't really know how long they've been here or how many there are. So I guess we just hope by the end of this that
we understand them.
Yeah. Kitty. Aww.
The cats have probably, from what we understand, been at Leesville between 13 and 16 years. I counted them in the fall through many nights of observing the cats. We have approximately 13 adult cats and varying amounts of kitten litters that come several times a year. It's a kitten. She's so cute.
They are so pretty. Come here. I wish I had food.
What do cats eat besides cat food?
Mice. I don't have that.
Okay,
The most frustrating thing about filming cats is that they don't want to come out. They're really shy.
They just stare at you, and then once you leave, they'll come out. But
yeah.
They haven't really made contact with us yet.
We haven't, yeah. So hopefully when we feed them, they'll start coming out and they'll start loving us because they're so pretty, and I just want to pet them.
They're just shy.
Yeah. Start doing something.
I know that the cats appear more social than your typical feral cat. They will approach a human. They're used to human interaction because of the students that have been on campus feeding them. We also have one of our evening custodial staff that feeds the cats regularly, and so they're actually very well fed. But that does create a little concern because they are dependent on humans for their existence. They've never known a life without humans feeding them.
Okay, so we're meeting up with Claire and Allie to feed the cats, and I'm pretty sure we're all super excited. Which is surprising because if you would have asked us 2 weeks ago, I probably would not have been that excited.
We have morphed into cat ladies over the last 2 weeks.
We are officially cat ladies. It's a problem.
And then I put water in the little cans.
Okay. So excited.
I feel like you do it a little differently than I do because I dump it out so I can use this for water.
I always put it way back.
Yeah, it smells really gross. Hi. Oh, this one is Peanut and that one is Otto. Just in case you're wondering.
The other ones are scared of us. They're newbies.
Oh.
Look at their eyes. He has yellow eyes. And then one's green. They're so cute. Here.
That one's Lily with the white paws.
Is that the...
She's my favorite.
Is this still here in the morning?
The black and white one, his name is Otto. He's the most adventurous, but I haven't seen him lately. But he was eating, and I just kind of slowly inched my way towards him. And I almost got to pet him, but he kind of pulled away.
On all fours?
Yeah.
You were on all fours?
Yeah. But then I told my mom, and she was really mad. She's like, if you try to touch them, you can't feed them.
And that would have been good, wouldn't it?
But they're friendly. They're really friendly.
They are, especially since they started giving them shots and stuff. Yeah. They're not feral cats, you know? They like us. So
they're our friends.
So we were having trouble coming out here and just finding footage of the cats during second period. So we decided that we would just do this cat contest where people would send in pictures and videos. See it from behind. Oh scaring it.
That's not me.
Oh, well then whoever's over there is scaring it.
Whoa, I just got another picture. Ow, that was